of the things of design thinking is try as cheaply as possible. The more you try, the more quality in your product. Yes? Excellent. Anybody else wants to share some improvement steps?
I went for a morning early house shopping.
You have 5 minutes to do this one. Don't think about it, just do it. You want to rate how energized you were doing that activity, how energized you felt. For example, I'm a professor. I have to speak a lot in the lectures. Every day I have to lecture. When I lecture, I feel very energized, very engaged. So if I feel very engaged, I will put the arrow to the max. And then in the second one, you rate how you really feel afterwards.
But afterwards, I was so good that I came up with an exam for students.
My dream, like I was able to think the pathway very quickly, but the actual thinking of what the
We did this exercise at the university, and one of the participants came after the exercise and said, "Jose, thank you, I don't feel afraid to be fired anymore."